Can I just check before I choose the one?
Okay, check.
Please, thank you. Yeah. Check the visitors, Papa.
Yes.
I still don't know them.
No, I told you simple. Send them away. Because when a family meeting is here, we don't need to waste our time. No. I need to locate them and find out exactly what they want.
Our culture, we don't chase visitors away.
Okay. That's a good girl.
You
Okay.
raised me that we don't chase visitors away.
Okay. So find out what they want.
Okay, I'll do that.
Are they not going to the neighbor's place? What's happening?
Maybe. It's possible actually. I didn't ask that. Let me find out again.
Okay, please.
Yeah, Papa.
Yeah. That's my office.
We are visitors to this home, number 771.
Are you sure you're coming to us?
Yes, we are very, very sure that we are coming to this particular place,
Okay.
and we just want to confirm that we are not lost.
Okay. Whose place are you looking for?
A precious jewel.
This is Jewel is a home. Is that a home? Is that a mine or what?
A precious jewel resides in this number 71.
That's a Jewel. What is that? Can you explain yourself better?
We have come here with a group of very nice looking people,
Yes.
and to meet this area, we have been invited here.
Yes.
So we have come to be we are your visitors today.
When you say so. Okay. How do I know you're my visitors?
Maybe we'll give you something so that to identify us with what we are. I will just give it to.
Is that ID or what?
Yeah, you just have a look at it. Just like in any country, before you enter, you need a visa.
Oh, is that a
So
visa?
maybe that will allow us to have access to the country.
Please check that up and let me know what it is. You might give me a bomb here in an envelope form. Don't want to die, I'm still young. Hello? Yes. Yes. So I'm giving you something. Is it a letter? Is it a what? Is it a bomb? Okay. Let me deal with it. I've seen it. Not a problem.
What must I do, Papa?
Now that you have given me a symbol of your intentions to come and visit me, I don't have a problem with that. The only thing I want to do is that here you are very security conscious and you're also health conscious. So as you come in, before you come in, we need to check you out. I have a team of my professionals. They are going to check you out. First of all, to make sure you don't carry guns, you don't carry guns or pistols, because you might shoot me. So please, my team, can you please check them out?
Papa,
Yes, please.
due to COVID-19,
Yes.
I think we must do I want to first measure the temperature.
Yes.
If the temperature is okay,
Yes, please.
then we can vaccinate them first.
Not a problem.
Then after vaccinating them, if they are vaccinated, we can let them in.
The security first.
Okay, I
Yes.
remember we have got doctors in this house. Let me
Yes.
check if Dr. Julia is there to vaccinate the visitors.
First of all, check
Thank
them
you.
out, getting the temperatures. And find
The
out
temperature.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Before.
Yalamanoi Papa.
Ebo.
Yalam.
Ebo. That's my girl, very humble indeed. Respects me too much. Don't jump in the procedure. Make sure that the checks are well done. Anyone with high temperature? Anybody coughing?
No, we are not coughing, we are healthy.
How do you know that? Because it's my girls to tell me whether you are coughing or not. So be patient with my team. The problem is you interfere with the family meeting here. So you are even wasting our time. But anyway, because you are here, we work with you.
Papa?
Yes, please.
Doctor, our call says the temperature is okay.
The content is okay.
Yes.
No problem. That is healthy.
So now we are going to vaccinate them.
Okay, do that before you check them for security.
Oh, we must do security.
First do security before vaccination.
Okay.
Check their pockets, what are they carrying.
Billy,
Don't forget the shoes.
talk to Billy to do security.
Don't forget their shoes. Some of them carry pistols in the shoes. And ladies on the wigs, sometimes those wigs carry pistols, short ones.
Security is fine.
Security is fine.
Security, no one has a gun.
Okay.
We are safe.
Okay. Then they allow them in by removing your ribbon.
Removing, okay, no problem.
Before you vaccinate them. Allow them in.
Let us finish the vaccinating. It's not easy
Okay.
when you're vaccinating the you know.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
No problem.
All right.
You know your job.
Thank you, Papa. Yeah.
Yeah. These are, you have to be patient with us. These are our procedures in this family. And maybe if you don't do it in your homes, please borrow something from us also.
Papa, we are coming.
Okay.
We are coming in.
All right. Now that you have to open the gate. Are they patient with you? Or they're giving trouble?
You know, they are so amazing. This might be good visitors with good news. I'm excited.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't bribe me yet.
Okay. Sorry, Papa.
Yes. I'm not sure of these people. I know them.
Oh, okay.
Some of these people are funny people.
Okay, Papa.
Yes. Okay, allow them to come in.
Okay.
Vaccinated.
All right, we are done vaccinating. They are officially coming in.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much.
Let them be, like them where they're going.
Okay.